Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Are you tired of spending endless hours on household chores? Well, today, we're diving into the world of Amazon's most innovative gadgets that promise to transform your daily routine. From a portable mini chainsaw that makes yard work a breeze, to a magnifying glass lamp perfect for precision tasks, we've got you covered. Get ready to discover 12 incredible gadgets that will simplify your life and give you more time to enjoy the things you love. Let's jump right in. Want to grow fresh herbs and vegetables? Meet the AeroGarden Harvest, the ultimate solution for effortless indoor gardening. This compact countertop system provides room for 6 plants with 12 inches of grow height and an easy-to-use control panel. It features a 20-watt LED grow light that mimics natural sunlight, along with a simple touchscreen panel with touch sensor buttons for seamless control. Plants grow 5 times faster than in soil, and setup takes just minutes. Simply add water, plant food, and insert the pre-seeded non-GMO pods for a mess-free harvest. With ultra-slim energy-efficient grow lights, your garden stays fresh, local, and in season all year round. This smart garden is the perfect addition to any kitchen or home setup. The electric spin scrubber is a powerful, cordless cleaning tool designed to save time and effort. With 450 RPM high-speed rotation, it removes stubborn stains effortlessly, cutting cleaning time in half. 2 adjustable speeds, 350 RPM and 450 RPM, let you customize power, while the IPX7 waterproof design allows direct water cleaning without damage. It comes with 4 replaceable brush heads for different surfaces, from bathtubs to kitchen floors. The stainless steel adjustable handle extends up to 45 inches, reducing bending and strain. Its LED display shows real-time battery status, and fast Type-C charging ensures quick recharges. Transform your space with the ASAKUKI Essential Oil Diffuser, a 5-in-1 ultrasonic aromatherapy device designed for ultimate relaxation. Enjoy up to 18 hours of fragrant mist with its large water tank, 7 LED light colors, and multiple mist modes, perfect for enhancing any environment. Offering both manual and remote control, it seamlessly doubles as decor while delivering soothing aromas. Made from BPA-free, baby-safe PP material, it's safe for homes with kids and pets. Featuring a safety auto-off function and backed by 2-year technical support, this diffuser ensures peace of mind while filling your space with calming fragrances. The ASAKUKI Mini Chainsaw is the ultimate compact tool for effortless cutting and pruning. Equipped with a high-quality guide chain and a powerful 550 watts pure copper motor, it ensures smooth and efficient performance. Weighing only 1.1 kilograms, this lightweight and portable chainsaw is perfect for one-handed use, making it ideal for homeowners, DIYers, and even the elderly. The 20-volt rechargeable lithium battery provides long-lasting power, while the safety lock system prevents accidental starts. Whether you're trimming tree branches, working on DIY projects, or handling household chores, the ASAKUKI Mini Chainsaw delivers power and convenience in a compact design. The clothes folding board is a durable, easy-to-use tool that simplifies folding t-shirts, sweaters, towels, and more. Made from PP composite material, it ensures long-lasting toughness. With no assembly required, its secure silicone buckles keep the panels intact. Designed for both adults and children, it makes folding quick and effortless. The Endoscope Camera is a powerful inspection tool designed for precision and clarity. Its portable link for mobile phones ensures seamless connectivity, while the semi-rigid cable allows easy maneuverability. It supports taking photos and videos with 4 multifunctional magnetic accessories for added convenience. The 7.9mm probe and 16.4 feet semi-rigid snake cable provide flexibility and reach, making it ideal for engines, pipes, and walls. 8 adjustable LED lights enhance visibility, and the IP67 waterproof design ensures super hardness and reliable use underwater. The easy iOS and Android connectivity allows real-time viewing with a simple app. Whether for automotive work, plumbing, or home inspections, this versatile borescope is a must-have tool. The Costway portable clothes dryer is a compact and lightweight solution, perfect for small spaces like apartments and dorms. With a 5.5-pound large capacity, it efficiently dries clothes, while its see-through window lets you monitor the process. The curved handle adds convenience for easy opening and closing. Featuring 4 drying modes, cool, warm, hot, and air dry, it adapts to different fabrics for optimal drying performance. Designed for efficient heat dissipation, it includes an installable exhaust pipe and ensures full sterilization of your clothes. You can change the filter element cotton as needed to maintain cleanliness. The stainless steel tub enhances durability, making it a long-lasting and reliable drying solution for your laundry needs. The Kesvi Ceiling Fan Cleaner is a versatile 3-in-1 cleaning tool designed for effortless dusting. With its extendable long handle, it easily cleans ceiling fan blades, walls, baseboards, and floors without needing a ladder. The chenille mop head efficiently removes dust from fan blades, while the microfiber pad tackles stains on walls and baseboards without harming surfaces. Its machine-washable, replaceable heads ensure long-term use. The built-in squeegee allows streak-free cleaning for windows and tiles. Plus, its flexible head effortlessly cleans vents, making it a must-have household cleaning gadget to keep every surface spotless. The Rowenta handheld cloth steamer delivers 175 watts of powerful steam, efficiently de-wrinkling clothes in just 25 seconds. Its compact design makes it a must-have for travel, perfect for quick touch-ups and busy mornings. This multi-purpose steamer not only removes wrinkles, but also refreshes and sanitizes fabrics. With 10 minutes of continuous steam, and it offers extended convenience for multiple garments. Designed for all fabric types, including delicate silk, this lightweight and portable steamer is an essential tool for keeping your clothes fresh and wrinkle-free anytime, anywhere. The Vitamin L Therapy Lamp is a portable, high-intensity daylight lamp designed to boost energy and focus. Its slim, lightweight build makes it perfect for home or office use. Delivering 10,000 lux brightness, this slim light therapy solution helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle and improve mood naturally. The cool white LEDs with a rippled diffuser provide a soft, glare-free glow, making it comfortable for daily use. With a detachable stand, it can be positioned vertically or horizontally to fit any setup. Enhance your well-being effortlessly with this sleek and effective therapy lamp. The 10x lighted magnifying glass lamp is the perfect tool for precision work, offering 1000% magnification with a high-definition optical lens that reduces eye strain. Built with high-quality metal and a clear 10x real glass lens, it features 72 LEDs for bright and consistent lighting. With 3 color modes, cold white, warm white, and a mix, it provides 10 adjustable brightness levels for optimal visibility in any setting. Its 360-degree adjustable aluminum arms offer flexibility, while the sturdy clamp design ensures stability on any table or workbench. Whether for reading, embroidery, or intricate crafts, this lamp enhances visibility and comfort, making it a must-have for hobbyists and professionals alike. The automatic fish feeder by Freesea ensures your fish are fed on time, whether you're home or away. It features manual and automatic modes, allowing feeding every 8, 12, or 24 hours with a simple button press. The adjustable feeding amount lets you control portions, while its 360-degree rotation evenly distributes food. The moisture-proof design keeps food fresh and prevents clogging, supporting various food types like flakes, granules, and strips. With a 200mm capacity, it offers 2 secure mounting options. Clamp it to the tank wall, or attach it with adhesive, making it a perfect choice for any aquarium setup. And there you have it, 12 amazing Amazon gadgets that can revolutionize the way you tackle household chores. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to CyberBytes Hub for more tech-savvy solutions to everyday problems. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy simplifying.